Is your Jeep Cherokee's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. This is a common issue, particularly in 2014, 2021 models, but also seen in some 2022, 2024 versions. The main culprits are usually the door hood switches, the RF hub, or the key fob battery. First, check your key fob battery. A low battery below 2.5 volts can cause false alarms. Next, the door and hood switches are magnetic sensors that detect if these are open-closed. If they are corroded or have wiring shorts, it causes false alarms. Third, RF hub malfunctions can also cause misreads from the key fob and can activate the alarm. Use the vehicle's infotainment system or an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Knowing this will help you narrow down the cause and determine the correct fix. Once you've diagnosed the problem, you have a few options. For faulty door hood switches, a DIY replacement is possible with Jeep-specific kits costing $50 to $150. Many owners have successfully resolved the issue this way, documenting improvements on forums. For faulty door hood switches, a DIY replacement is possible with Jeep-specific kits costing $50 to $150. Many owners have successfully resolved the issue this way, documenting improvements on forums. For RF-HUB issues, consider a BCM reprogramming, often offered free at dealerships through recalls like NHTSA Campaign ID 23V123. This addresses software glitches that cause alarms. For more serious cases or continued issues, the RF-HUB itself may need replacing. Parts cost $200–$400. Keep in mind that Jeep is increasingly using over-the-air OTA updates for Uconnect systems to fix these issues remotely. So check if your model is eligible. If DIY attempts fail, mechanics recommend professional diagnostics due to the complexity of the system. By addressing these components and software issues, you can likely stop your Jeep Cherokee's alarm from going off unexpectedly.